Welcome to On a Budget, where I'm going to teach you about money, and in particular, how to make your money work for you. That's right, today we're talking about financial education. But don't worry, it's not going to be your average boring lecture. I'm going to make it fun and easy to understand. First of all, budgeting. Yes, I know that budgeting is really boring and everybody heard about that, but it's one of the first foundational steps in understanding your finances. So think of budget as a game where you need to make sure that you spend less than what you earn. And that's budgeting in a nutshell. And to make it even more fun, try to create a budget for fun things that you want to do once you save up enough money for yourself. It can be things like entertainment, going out, dining, movies, anything you want. Something fun that is fun for you in particular. Trust me, you'll be surprised how much more motivated you are when you know that once you hit your goal, you can treat yourself out to something fun. Next thing is savings. Savings is so important, and it can be really hard sometimes, but it doesn't have to be, because the secret in savings is that you don't have to put a big chunk of money. You don't have to already have $1,000 saved up immediately. If you have nothing, start small, whatever you can put away. Start from 5 to 10% at first of your income. Try to put that aside towards your savings and gradually increase it over time if you're able to. If not, keep it at the very minimum, but always don't ever skip a month where you're putting some percentage away. And if you don't like percentages, make it a dollar amount. Make it whatever is comfortable for you, but it has to be something. And you can make it more fun by visualizing your goals coming true once you have enough money saved up. Imagine you could have saved up for a down payment, you could have saved up for a sports car, for some kind of VR set, for a gaming system, a console, anything you want. It will make you more motivated to save up that money. And next thing is investing. Of course, once you have some money saved up because you have a budget and you have some money set aside, now it's time to invest that money to make that money work for you. And it can be confusing and difficult to start with, especially if you're a beginner. But again, it doesn't have to be. Think of investing as a treasure hunt, where you're hunting for your future financial security. Start small and gradually increase the amount you invest. And there are a lot of ways to invest, and always consult with an expert and professional when it comes down to money. And remember one really important rule when it comes down to investing. The earlier and the sooner you start to invest, the more time your money has to grow. And finally, credit. Really important tool as well to use, and credit can be good and bad. So you have to understand and distinguish the difference between good and bad credit. So the key is using credit responsibly. The first thing you have to do when it comes to credit is understand your own credit score and how it works. And if you want, I can make another video for you where I'll talk about how your credit score works and how to understand it better, and also what are some ways how you can improve your credit score as soon and as efficient as possible. I hope this was informative for you. Remember, financial education does not have to be boring. There are always things to learn, improve, and continuous education is key in everything you do in life. Like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you soon.